Oh no! Ariel down! Ariel! You think it's funny? Last time. Aha, look, she with you.
Morning.
You like your closet nursery?
It's a really big room.
Good morning, Nana.
Good morning. Hi.
Hi, pretty. You a good girl.
Before you say anything about her being in a closet, first of all, there is a window.
It's not technically a closet.
It's connected to our room, and there's ventilation, so meh.
It's not technically a closet if it has a window.
Yeah, I guess you could consider that.
You work call?
I have a work call. But
Then we'll get out.
I don't have as many work calls today.
Get out.
So I have this one, and in a half hour I have another one, and then I'm free!
Free.
Golly, I love your hair. The growth overnight. Oh, it was a wig.
Look how cute her jeans are.
She's wearing like real people jeans. I'm not kidding. There's a button and a zipper. Like an actual zip, like the tiniest zipper in the world, but there's a zipper.
She has like a little balloon on them.
Oh, our daughter got skinny jeans. Hi, I like your haircut. It's Bill Belichick. I thought I was gonna have a very easy day, and work happened again. It's not that I have a lot of stuff to do. It's unfortunately it's all spaced out in very inconvenient timing.
Quite the vacation.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. Work comes first. I understand.
I'm so sorry.
We gotta pay for our life somehow.
Exactly. I mean, this isn't really a vacation either. I mean, we're really just
A little trip.
a little trip to see some family. So we are going to be hopefully taking a trip soon that we can vlog and share with you guys, but it's still in the planning stages, so stay tuned for that. Aww. Hi, baby. But we're gonna do some stuff. She's learning her pitches.
She's laying her body on it. It's a new form of art.
Performance art.
She's found the stash. This kid in plastic bags. I don't know what it is. She likes danger. This is not okay. The OCD part of me is having an anxiety attack. But we've had quite the past couple of days. I definitely need to clean it up. She's trying to climb inside my bag now. It's because somebody's in there. Someone's unpacking her bag. Uh-oh. Mommy's gonna have to sort all of this again, but that's okay. You're having fun. You know, when you travel with kids, sometimes you just have to roll with it. And Daniel's been so busy, and there's just been so much kind of going on. She's been teething and not sleeping that great, that we're having fun just hanging out in our room. And sometimes that's just enough. You just gotta accept where you are in the moment and enjoy it while you can, and understand that babies don't work on everyone's schedule. They work on their schedule. So we're having a good time still, and we're getting some well-needed rest. We're outside on the patio to get some fresh air. Yeah. 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 It's actually really nice out here. What are you doing? Be careful. Who are you talking to? Smile. She started becoming conscious of her bows. So, as soon as she knows I've put one on her, she tries to pull it off. You don't put it back on? Or you don't want it? You don't have to have it. You're cute without it. Peekaboo. You peekaboo bow? Peekaboo. So we are going to the store. Gotta get some stuff. Gotta get out of the house. I'm gonna need the keys to start the car. We are gonna try on Friday night to have like a little date night.
You have a little biscuit? It's a biscuit, right? It's one of her new ones?
Yeah,
okay.
They're thicker, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
They're a little bit messier.
She just found it in her seat. I just wanted to make sure it was actually her food.
Yeah.
And not just like...
So we switched her teething biscuits. We were using these things called Mum Mums, which I love. But unfortunately, the Publix that we went to didn't carry the Mum Mums. So I had to switch to, I think it's like Happy Baby Organic, right?
Plum. These are Plum Organic.
Plum Organic.
Which makes a lot of her squeeze foods.
I don't like them. Personally, I think they make a huge mess because once I take one bite of them, they just crumble everywhere. Versus the Mum Mums that break off in like nice pieces and they're totally dissolvable.
Granted, now these come with 3 per pack. Like
They're more expensive.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
They're
That's
like
why.
$3 more.
Oh, well, we got hosed.
So where we're going is like this. It's a massive outlet mall attached to a Target.
Gotcha.
And it's where like, you know, all of the places you hear about the people coming to PCB and they're all like, I'm at Pompano Joe's or I'm at La Vela.
Oh, it's all those things?
That's what
I've never been to Panama City Beach.
We'll go, when we go back, we'll go on the beach and I'll show you.
Gotcha. Aw, I finally came to PCB. I'm not even on spring break.
Spring break, woo!
Aw.
I came here on spring break.
Spring break or spring break, woohoo!
It was weird, like spring break as a high schooler. What happens is all of the guys ride around in their trucks because it is the Redneck Riviera. And the girls like walk like down the like beach and then the guys will like pull up next to you and they'll be like, climb in, sugar. And then you get in their truck and you're like, first of all,
why'd you get in their truck?
Sketchy. I know, right? It's very sketchy.
Did you get in the truck?
Oh yeah, it's very sketchy. And we would like get in the back of their truck and we would like hang out and they would drive around and we'd say hi to other people as we were in the back of their truck. It was a weird time, man. And we would drink like B&J's, Bartles and James. Drink those in the back. And they're like, where are you guys staying? I'm at the Holiday, where are you? Oh, we're down at the Days. Cool, well maybe we'll see each other on the beach tomorrow. Great, like what time do you guys like usually go out there? I don't know, we're out there like really early because we want to get good sun. Okay, great.
I feel like this is a really specific conversation that actually happened and I feel like you were the girl in that. I feel like you're not mocking one of your old friends. I think you were that was that you? Was it you though?
Probably. I don't remember. I was drinking too many Bartles and James.
You're a mother now.
You know, I don't have an excuse for why I'm at Target every day. I don't. I'm not going to give one to you because it is embarrassing, but at the same time, there are worse things to be addicted to than Target. And look, we get to get her out. She gets to look at things and be stimulated by smells, by sights, by other people. Yeah. So you do what you can. The next couple of days will be a little bit better for Daniel so we can enjoy more of the beach and maybe produce a little bit better of a vlog. Although I hope you just enjoy us and who we are. Vibes today. Minnie Mouse vibes. Right, honey? You see the palm trees?
Are you playing peekaboo with yourself? I'm enjoying your Target experience so far. It's only we would go on a mini vacation and
to find a Target.
to go to Target twice. You've been to this Target twice?
Yeah.
In the 3 days we've been here.
I have some problems though.
Gone to Target twice and showed you Publix. Like,
I have some serious
ooh,
issues.
different. We find the elusive Olivia in her natural habitat. So you're all about Pixie, huh?
I love Pixie. After my skin's like been so much better, I just really like it's like
We should just change our vlog's name to Target and Publix.
We go to Target and Publix every day.
Target and Publix, Target and Publix.
Eczema cream, and my eyebrow stuff.
That was it. Now we have to go to Publix. Hey look, we're going to Target and Publix. Apparently we're on the Strip, what people call the Strip.
That's where everybody, when I was telling you that story, everybody walking on the side.
Oh, this is where they do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then at the end of the Strip, like down that way, is Club La Vela. You know, like Club La Vela, woo! It's the only club in Panama City Beach.
Oh.
So
okay.
like, you know.
Oh, look, a Ron John's.
And there's the Pompano Joe's. Like that kitschy place, like the food's not good, but everyone's like, oh, but I got a cup from there. I have a t-shirt from there. The food's never good. Have you found that food's really never good when it's on the beach?
Depends on where you are.
Apart from Aruba's.
Depends on where you
South
are.
Florida.
South Florida, around Lauderdale by the Sea. I like all of those restaurants.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think places like this are really banking on the fact that... No, that, and I think that they're banking on the fact that people are going to be drunk.
Yeah.
Oh, Pier Park. Yeah, okay.
That's what I was talking about. It's massive. It's like a whole...
Yeah, it's all look at Margaritaville. It's huge. Oh my god, all the crummies. So many crummies.
That's what I was telling you. That's why I don't like those as much as the Mum-Mums.
Yeah. Oh, we were in Target. They sell Mum-Mums there.
But you ever watch HGTV and they do like beachfront bargain hunt?
Yeah.
It's always in these. That's why like I always know. They're like, oh, this is in the Tidewater like condo community. I'm like, boom, been there.
Taking me on.
This is the bathroom everyone used.
That's a McDonald's.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, but it was a really nice
Oh, because you didn't
McDonald's.
want to go to the Arby's bathroom.
Exactly. Why would you want to look at that compared?
Okay, we're back from Publix. We put some stuff away. The process of it. We didn't show you Publix because you've seen one Publix trip. You've seen them all. I'm gonna start prepping dinner. I know it's a little early, but I'm making my world famous meatballs, which is a requirement every time we come down here. Her parents always tell me I have to make the meatballs, so here we go. Off she goes. Oh, her veggie tots are ready.
Oh, okay.
You have to let them cool. I mean, they just came out of the oven. And I'm gonna start cooking. This feels inappropriate.
Only if you stay.
Out and create change that
Looks good.
for me
That's pretty good.
ultimately because
It came out nice.
you're changing people's
Hopefully they
lives
taste good.
and making sure that
She's snoring. See, this is where all like more of the higher
That's a dangerous little game.